Yeah, guys, this is what I do all today. This is what I do all today, guys. Food hole. I tell you, a nice kitchen. Gas. No, I like me work a gas. That's where you go. Yeah. Work. Gotta make the dough. So, guys, you're gonna see the finishing touch. So I'm a report. See all the wood me report. Wood me report, but we got a lot of wood boy. All the wood no broke out. Anyways, guys, this is my work for the day. So, sun soon come. So, I got done work. I mean, if I got done work by tomorrow, but tomorrow another day. So, guys, you all have a great day. And all the construction work again out there. Boy, good job, guys. Good job. Laborer, good job. Mason, good job. Plumbers, good job. Yeah. Yeah, man. Done now. One love, guys, everyone. And ladies.